In this video I will tell you about a coin that has huge potential, and how it can make you a lot of money in this bull run, so stay tuned. This video was suggested by a viewer, and today, I will tell you about smartcash, and everything you need to know. As always, I have included timestamps in the description below, if you want to skip some parts, but with that being said, here is what I will cover in this video. What is smartcash, and what do they offer? How did it perform during its previous rally? Why will the price go to the moon? Smart coin price analysis and prediction. Smartcash launched back in 2017 and is completely decentralized. And from a business perspective, they don't have a single person making decisions, which mean no CEO or CTO. But what is smartcash? Smartcash is a community governance, cooperation, and growth-focused blockchain-based currency and a decentralized economy. This may sound confusing, but let me explain. Smartcash has four main features. These are the smart hive voting, smart rewards, instant pay, and smart nodes. With smart hive governance, you can vote on features that anyone can propose. When it comes to voting, one smart coin equals to one vote. When a feature is proposed and has passed, the funds for the project will arrive from the smart hive treasury. Yes, you heard that right, the money comes from mined blocks, so let's take a look at how the smart coin from mined blocks are allocated. On the screen you can see that miners don't have a monopoly over the smart coins, also most of it goes to sustaining smart cash. With that being said, let's move on to smart rewards. Smart rewards are a way to earn passive income on your smart. The annual yield varies from 14% to 21% for holding more than 1,000 smart coins. And if you hold more than 1 million smart coins in a single wallet, the annual yield varies between 28% to 35%, and you are paid the appropriate amount, once a month. Moving on to instant pay, it gives you the option to pay instantly. Instant pay can attract more merchants, since a store owner won't need to wait long for your funds to arrive in his wallet. This makes it perfect for crypto adaptation. Lastly, we have smart nodes. Smart nodes are a server a smart holder can set up. Smart nodes are servers that run a smartcash wallet and make decisions, and in return you get smart node rewards. So where can you get smart? On the screen you can see which exchanges offer the smart coin. Also, here you can see which wallets they support. Smart coin also rallied during the previous bull run, and with smart node being released the price spiked at $3.45. So why do I think the price will increase? This is because of the Bitcoin adaptation. Many are likely to support smartcash just by how the block rewards are allocated. Furthermore, merchants can benefit greatly, since they can get paid instantly, instead of waiting for hours of block confirmations. Another thing is staking. Unlike DeFi, your funds won't be put on another site, thereby mitigating any risk of losing your funds. Also, 35% annual yield can be a great deciding factor for many. Lastly, you can vote, and allowing users to propose a feature can make many trust the project. Lastly, the maximum supply is 5 billion, and currently there is 1.4 billion circulating, so as we begin to approach 5 billion, this will be an even bigger catalyst for smart in the long run. So where will the price go, and how much would you need to invest to make $1 million? Currently the price of the smart coin is $0.0031, and the market cap is $4.3 million. As always, I will give you my 3 top predictions. Prediction number 1, the coin will 10x. The price has tested 3 cents before, so reaching this area shouldn't be impossible with the Bitcoin adaptation. As for the resistance levels, 1 cent is the resistance, and from the data we can see that this is a consolidation area. Prediction number 2, 150x. If this happened, the price of the smart coin would be 45 cents, and this is nowhere near its all-time highs. As for the resistance levels, 50 cents is going to be challenged, but if we broke this, it would rally to the $1 area. Prediction number 3, 1000x. This is of course the most ambitious prediction, but this would mean the price is $3, and the market cap would be $1.6 billion. On the chart I didn't see much resistance after the break of $1. However, this time around we will have the usual 50% and 100% as strong areas of resistance, so once we break 50 cents, $1.50 will be the resistance levels. With that being said, how much would you need to invest to make $1 million? First prediction was 10x, so you would need $100,000. My second prediction was 150x, so you would need $6,666. For my third and last prediction I said 1000x, which means you would need $1,000 to make $1 million. But that concludes my predictions. Let me know what you think of this project. Do you think it has potential? Also, I am not a financial advisor, so don't forget to do your own analysis. However, that's all, and once again, keep in mind to protect your trades and trade with caution. But with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.